Professional growers are always looking for the best and most efficient way to maximize their yield. Optimal grow lighting is one of the most critical factors to success. Although there are many products available, a lighting system is a big investment, so making the right decision is critical in the long run. With PL Light Systems, you're not just investing in a lighting system. You are investing in the knowledge and expertise that comes with 4 decades of experience in horticultural lighting. Working with growers to design product solutions that deliver optimal lighting performance for plant growth and maximize yields has always been our focus. When you partner with a North American-based company like PL Light Systems that has specialized in horticultural lighting since 1981, you are investing in the peace of mind that you're dealing with a reputable organization, offering decades of experience, backed up by local service and support. We speak your language. We know your challenges. We're there to support you. Before, during, and long after we have sold you our products, you are investing in uncompromising quality. Designed and built to last, our luminaires have been manufactured in the Netherlands or North America for more than 40 years. Combining expert craftsmanship with world-class manufacturing and the most stringent quality and regulatory standards. You are investing in the best possible lighting solution for your application. Since PL Light Systems offers knowledge and solutions across all lighting technologies, we will never steer a customer in a direction that is not the ideal solution for them just to make a sale. Our light plans are always guaranteed to deliver not only optimal lighting performance and growth, but also the best cost per micromole of light. You are investing in a true partnership. As an independently owned company, our own success is rooted in the long-term success of our customers. Contact PL Light Systems today to find out how we can help your business grow.